look, don't bring the kid into this, man.
But she slapped the out of me.
I'd rather you not even talk to her.
Okay.
Get out of it, son.
Why'd you bite his arm?
That's like my first though. He's a control freak.
Okay.
Acting like a maniac, cursing, screaming, talking about sucking dick and everything else.
How are you get a restraining order on him?
On October 2nd, 2024, officers pulled over a vehicle following a report from a woman claiming her daughter's father had stolen her phone and refused to return her belongings. The man alleged that she had bitten his arm and gotten physical with their daughter during an argument.
Step out, come talk to me right quick. We're here, right, and then talk to you.
Okay.
You say anything?
Hey, do me a favor. Step out of the vehicle, okay? You're not in trouble. You're not in trouble.
You understand your rights?
Yeah.
Wish to talk to us?
Yeah.
Man, you just stole Candy's phone?
I didn't steal her phone.
What happened?
My daughter's right there. Did I steal her phone, bro?
Look, don't bring the kid into this, man.
I didn't. All right,
She a
I'm not bringing
juvenile?
it back. I didn't steal her phone.
So what
Yeah.
happened just
You're not in any kind of trouble,
Okay,
okay?
she called me to
We
come
just-
up there.
There was
pick up
something
from the
committee we're
casino
trying to get resolved,
for the
okay?
battle. Okay, she called me to
We
come
just-
up there,
there was
pick up
something
from the
committee
casino
trying to get resolved,
for the
okay?
battle. Because I got the battery. So I went up there to go bring her the battery up there at the casino. That's all I did. And we had left with the phone in the car.
Y'all left with the phone in the
Yeah, we
car?
was giving her a ride back to the...
She forgot it in the
truck.
car.
No, we left with it in the car.
Why'd you leave with it in the car, man?
We just left with it in the car.
Why?
Because I was bringing her over there to go put the battery back in the car, and we started arguing.
But you knew the phone was in the car.
We know it's in the car now.
Which phone is it? Is it the one that she had
No,
that's right there, or is it
It's
the
a
one that's
green,
on the seat?
no, not that one. It's a green phone.
That's not
It's in there.
Okay.
It's on the console.
So wait, let me understand this correctly. You picked her up to go bring her to get the battery?
No, she wanted me to go pick her up from the casino, bring her to go put the battery in the truck.
Okay. So you guys started arguing,
Don't be
correct?
calling nobody while we're here,
Yeah.
okay?
Okay. You guys started arguing, right?
Yep.
Okay. So what happened next?
She got out the car.
Okay.
And
So-
then she got out the car, and the phone was in the car, and then,
How did you know the phone was in the car?
well, she knows the phone was in the car.
Okay. She
Is
never
that allowed
tried
to?
waving you guys down, nothing like that?
I don't know what she was waving me down for, but we was arguing. She was cursing me out and calling me all kinds of
Okay. So you noticed her phone, she's waving you down.
No,
you still
I didn't notice the phone. We did not notice the phone. We drove off and left. We were already going out the parking lot, coming down Beltair before we even knew anything about the phone. There's no missed calls on that phone or nothing. She didn't call.
How's she gonna call it if you got the phone?
Nobody called us.
How's she gonna call if you got her phone?
I know,
bro?
but I didn't take the phone. The phone was left in the car.
Okay.
That's what
So
I'm saying.
all right, give me a
I
second.
didn't take the phone.
Who's out with her?
243.
Where's that at Walmart?
She slapped me.
We could do a DNA test. She bit the out of me on my arm.
That right there?
Yep.
Let me see your arm, too.
She slapped her.
She can't see, but she slapped the out of me somewhere. She slapped me.
slapped
She said, I pulled him away because she was biting him, and she said, "You stupid." Slapped him.
What's your name, sweetheart?
Brooke.
This is your daughter?
Yeah.
I noticed that you did have the camera on. Did you happen to get any of this on camera?
Oh yeah. I'm on FaceTime right now.
Okay.
No, he's talking about when it
Did you
happened.
record anything that happened?
No, not at all.
Where's the phone at?
It's in the car.
Can you point it out to me? So this is her phone.
Yeah.
So where you said that you was hurt?
She bit me right here on my arm.
Where at? Right here?
Right here.
And that was while you guys were arguing?
In the car. Yeah.
Okay. And did she ever strike her at any point?
Slapping her. because
Where did she slap
she
you at?
bit me.
On my arms, but she didn't slap me.
I mean, she ain't had no bruise. I mean,
No, I don't know, like,
fine, but
Where
she
on
bit
your
me.
arm at?
just
That's how she
Over.
ended
How
up
did she
beating the
slap
phone in
you?
the
like
car.
it wasn't like it was just like a kind of like
Demonstrate. How she slap you?
It's like they kind of
Like
like
that.
it was hard. It was a little hard.
So
A
like
medium-ish.
that?
Yeah, and like screaming.
I mean, you ain't even gotta
Okay.
include her in this. I mean, 'cause
Well, I
don't
mean,
wanna bring her-
my concern is
But
right
I
now
don't
would be a
wanna-
domestic abuse, and
I
that's what we're
don't
trying to
wanna-
address.
Yeah, I don't want to get her involved.
Okay,
in it.
because here's the thing. You're a young child who is innocent in all this
Yeah,
drama between you
I know.
and whoever she
But
is to
she-
you
I
was
mean,
just assaulted
Yeah.
because you two can't
I
seem to
know.
figure out the hell's
Right,
going
I know.
on.
Well, yeah, she
Okay,
called me
that
to
is
get
why
back,
we're
bring
involving
it back,
her because
back.
we're concerned about her safety and welfare at this point.
Right,
Okay,
I understand.
so do me a favor, my man. We're gonna try and take care of you in a second. Okay. But as of right now,
Yeah.
making sure that she is safe and okay and cared for is our top priority. That is why my partner over here is addressing her the way that she is, okay? You are her father. We do have to speak to her in front of you, but we would like to get information from her, and then we will talk to you about the same situation. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay? All right?
So is
But that's
she
what we're trying
your
to figure
daughter with Miss Piku?
Yes.
Okay. Is this the first time she struck you?
It wasn't.
Okay. Do you mind if I ask her? Do you mind if I ask her? Is that okay?
I'd rather not even talk to her.
Okay.
Without an attorney.
Without an attorney?
Yep.
Okay.
That's fine.
All right. For your side of the story, do you want to give a written statement on what occurred in the car between you and Candy?
Is she trying to press charges against me?
I don't know yet. I haven't talked to her yet. I'm here with you guys. We got a complaint. We came out.
Yeah.
We located the vehicle involved in the complaint. Made contact with you guys. So I'm asking,
I mean, I
in
don't
reference to
wanna-
the incident, do you want to give us a written statement, basically your side of the story?
I mean, I can't really spell, but I mean,
And look, I know you said you don't want to involve her. We do have to get her information because she's a juvenile involved in a domestic incident.
tell her don't come over here. It's okay.
Call?
Yeah, no, let's call her.
Yes.
I think.
You want me to answer?
No, you don't need to come over here with them baby.
Hold on.
If that's your mom, don't answer.
That's my sister.
Oh, it's your sister?
Do you want me to answer?
Yeah, but I don't want
That's up
coming
to
over
you. If
here.
it's your mom, that's good. So look, we argued. I know you said you don't want to involve, but we do need her information, being she's a juvenile involved in a domestic incident.
I just don't want like domestic charge on her mom against the child.
I understand. It's just we still, being that we're out here making contact with you and the juvenile reference to a domestic incident, we do have to get the juvenile's information.
I mean, I just can't. I can't spell.
I got you.
Okay, so are you?
spell.
So let me ask you: are you unable to write?
I can't.
Yeah,
Because you're spelling.
I can
Okay.
read. I can't.
Would you be
spell.
willing to give me a verbal statement on my body camera right here, right now, in the presence of my lieutenant and everybody else?
Yeah,
Okay.
No, I can't.
Could you do me a favor? Just state your name for me.
Jason. Okay.
All right, sir. Can you please explain to me what happened tonight?
We got a call from her mother saying she wanted the battery for a truck. She was at the casino. Went there, picked her up by the casino, and we got into an argument. And she wanted to get out of the car, and we started arguing, and then she started slapping at us to get out the back seat and bit me on the arm. And then
And who was she
we left
slapping
the
at?
car. Me, and bit me.
And it was just you she was slapping at?
Yeah.
And that's all that you would like to say on the subject?
Yeah. I mean, she can have a battery. I'm gonna drop it off in the truck.
That's fine. All right. If you want to talk on the phone, you can put it on speaker and just put it right down the car. I just need you to hold your arms
I
up
just
for me,
didn't
okay?
want my other daughter to come up here. I don't have my phone on me. She's trying to come up here because she knows we got pulled
Just hold them straight off for me, okay?
And she don't need to bring the baby.
All right.
Embarrassing, it's me again.
Alright, so I'm gonna talk to you over here. So before I talk to you, I'll read you your rights. I'm not saying you're under arrest, just gotta talk to you, give you your rights before I ask you any questions, okay? Having these rights in mind, are you willing to answer my questions?
Yes.
Okay, so what occurred in the car?
I was never in the car. I was walking from my truck to the casino. When I was in the casino, I come out the bathroom and I go out the door, and he was behind me going out the door. And he was going to walk to my truck by Walmart. And he's following me. He's like, come on with me, just talk to me. I was like, I don't want to talk, just my keys, leave me alone. Or my battery's in my truck and leave me alone. Well, he's like, you don't want to work this out? I said, no, just let me go. And then started digging my purse. I said, here, you want to just take everything. And I thought he was trying to take my keys, but he took my cell phone out of the purse.
So you threw your purse at him?
Yeah, I said, here, take it all. Take what you want.
Okay, so you gave him permission to take the phone when you threw it.
But I didn't realize what he was taking.
She threw it at. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
You're saying
I didn't want to
Did
fight
you-
him in the parking lot,
Did you contact him to come talk to you?
Huh?
Did you contact him to come to you?
I texted him and told him to bring my battery to my truck. And he told me he brought the battery back to my truck. So I was walking back to see if he brought the battery back.
Okay. So you have those messages?
I called him.
You called him. You
Yeah.
didn't text him.
No, he was on the phone. I told him I was at the casino.
So you
And I said, can you bring my battery back? And he said, I already put your battery back in there.
okay.
But I didn't get back to my truck.
So you didn't tell him to come pick you up and bring you home or nothing like that?
No. He was trying to get me to bring
At
me
any
home,
point
but I
did-
told him I wanted to go to my truck.
At any point you guys get in a physical altercation?
No.
You never bit him, slapped him, anything like that?
Well, yeah, he was going to take my, went to throw my purse was like this on me. And I went like this down on him. I bit his arm.
Why'd you bite his arm?
So he let my purse go. He's
So-
a control freak.
Okay, so now you're kind of changing it up on me. So first you're telling me you're throwing the purse at him, now you're telling me you're biting his arm.
Oh, I did. I went down and I bit his arm, and then
Okay, so
I
wait,
threw the purse at him.
was he trying to take the purse from you?
Yeah. He was reaching all in there trying to dig it, and I'm trying to
Why is he trying to take his purse?
close to get something out of there.
What is he trying to get?
I don't know.
Because you see how
Either my
this,
keys or my phone.
but you see how this ain't making sense to me? Because first you're telling me He threw the purse at him to take everything. Now you tell me you bit him trying to
Right,
keep him
right.
from taking it. So what actually happened?
That is what happened.
That is what happened.
And I wasn't trying to cause a scene.
So help it make,
No, I wasn't trying to cause a
Okay.
scene in front of
can
everybody.
you help me make sense of it and just kind of retell us where it kind of makes sense, because I'm real confused right now about what actually happened.
We was walking, and then that's what happened. He went to dig in my purse as I'm walking because I wouldn't get in the car. Once I told him, no, I don't want to talk. I don't want to get in your car. Then he's going to reach and dig in my purse. So I tried to stop him from digging in my purse, and then I couldn't stop him. So then I went down and bit by him, and he was still digging. That wasn't stopping him, so I threw it at him.
Put your feet in, just hang out for a second.
All right, thank you so much. And you were able to get my partner here, your name and date of birth and everything?
Not my date of birth. I don't think I got mine.
Okay, what's your date of birth?
I'm gonna ask you again what happened from start to finish. Tell me what happened.
We went over there
Why'd you go over there?
to bring her the battery,
Why were you bringing her the battery?
to bring her to the truck.
Okay, but did she ask you?
She called us.
She called you.
She called, what'd she tell you? She called you.
She called me to tell my dad to bring her the battery from the casino. Well, kind of by the Walmart part, you know, where they have the.
Mm-hmm.
She called us to tell her to bring her the battery to put in her truck, and then that's how it started.
Okay, did she ask you for a ride or anything?
Yeah, that's how she had to get the car. so I could bring her.
When did she ask you for a ride?
Walmart, about a casino and Walmart.
So when you got there, she asked for a ride, not over the phone?
Well, she asked us to come pick her up to bring her from the casino
Okay.
to go put the battery.
So you're on the phone. What exactly does she say?
She talked to her. I never talked to her. She talked to her and said, tell your dad, come bring the battery up here and bring me to my truck to put the battery in there.
Okay.
So that's what I did.
So whenever you got there, what happened?
When I got there, she got in the car and we started arguing about the situation.
So you guys argued in the car.
Yeah,
So she was in the car while you guys were arguing.
yeah.
You didn't pursue her on foot or anything like that.
No, I mean, that was after she got out of the car, but she was already
So
out the
so
car.
you
I
did
couldn't
pursue
get
her on foot.
She got out the car and I told her, come on, get back in the car. And she just kept walking.
So she kept walking. What'd you
And
do?
that was it. Ducked.
She didn't throw a purse at you?
No, I got back in the car and I started following.
So how'd you get the phone?
She got in my car. That's what I told her. She got in my car. She left it in the car when she got out.
This is
I
what.
don't-
This
I
is
mean,
what.
I ain't trying to-
Okay, just listen.
the phone.
This is what's not making sense to me. How did she bite you in the car?
In the back seat of the car, getting out through the front. She was in the front. The seat went forward in the front, getting out. And I tried to tell her stay in the car and bring you to go put the battery in the
So-
car.
Where's your arm when she bites you? You're like this driving.
This is my right hand. She's on that side. And she's in the back seat of the car getting out when it all started.
So why did she bite you?
I don't know why she bit me because we were arguing.
Were you trying to take her purse from her?
No, I said it's done in the purse. I'm not taking her purse.
Okay, so what position were you in the driver's seat when she bit you? How were you
In
sitting?
the driver's seat.
So can you show me like how, like if I'm standing like this and there's my hands on the wheel, how were you sitting?
In the driver's seat, the console, it's a little bitty car.
Okay, and she was sitting in the passenger seat,
No, in the back passenger seat.
in the rear passenger seat.
Yeah, and she's getting out in the front when she started swinging at me, and then she was hitting her in the process of hitting me. And then I put my hand up to stop her from hitting me, and then she bit my arm. And she got out of the car and dropped the phone in the car. And I just drove off with the phone.
Just hang
And
out.
I'm not gonna lie, I drove off with the phone.
Just hang out for a second.
Whenever we go and review their camera footage, what am I going to see?
You know, I gotta see me doing nothing. You're gonna see her getting in the car and getting out in the car, acting like a maniac, cursing, screaming, talking about sucking dick and everything else.
Okay.
I'm just telling her that's what she was saying.
Okay, so at any point did you like grab your daughter?
No,
Okay, you never touched her or anything like that, slapped on her?
no, I wouldn't do that.
So she's got some marks on her. That's what I'm asking about.
No, I wouldn't. She wasn't even involved in it.
There's no physical contact.
No, it's just me and him on the walkway.
You ever get in the car?
Nope, I didn't get in the door.
All
I
right.
just kept walking. I told me I didn't want to be bothered no more.
Where was the kid whenever you guys were walking?
She was behind.
Behind you guys?
Yeah.
So she wasn't in the car when you guys were arguing?
Well, we was walking down the sidewalk on towards. She was in the car at first, and then when we started walking down the sidewalk, I asked she seen me and her dad come out the casino,
So whenever you guys had that
and then
physical
she started fighting. I mean, she started following, getting out the car, coming out.
So whenever you and old boy got physical, was she ever involved in that?
No,
She never tried to stop it or anything like that?
I don't believe so. I mean, she was right there, and like she started walking up,
But you never
and I
grabbed
tried to
her?
avoid it.
Okay.
I just want my phone and my battery, and
I understand. We just got two sides of a story that we're trying to figure out, okay? Just hang out for a sec.
How you doing? Come on here and talk to me right quick.
So look, this is what's gonna happen. Right now you're under arrest for domestic battery.
For what?
Okay, so both him and her have marks.
She was behind us though. I didn't even press charges on him for taking my truck, my batteries on my truck. I just wanted to get away from him.
Okay, so look, this is the deal. Then just tell me what we got. He's got a mark on the arm, and you've admitted to fighting him. Your stories somewhat match up. It's just who's the aggressor, who's not.
Who's lying?
Listen to me. Just listen to me for a second, all right? She's got marks, bruising. Okay, we had no choice but to do this. You know.
She wasn't. She was back there when
When's
this
the
was
last
going
time you
on.
spoke to her? When's the last time you spoke with her?
Brooke, when we was at the scene, I remember throwing my purse on the ground. I said, Brooke, you ain't gonna help me. You ain't gonna call 911. You don't let him do this. That's what I told
You
her.
never touched her.
No.
So look, she got marks. He got marks. We gotta do our job.
You admitted that you did
I'm
it.
sorry.
Okay.
So go ahead, turn around. Hands behind your back. Even if he wanted to, didn't want
Better not come to the jail and get me. I don't want him around
Listen
me.
to me. Listen to me. Even if he didn't want to pursue
Why do I
charges,
get a restraining
hey,
order on him?
listen to me. I'm talking. Even if he did not want to pursue charges, we would still keep pursuing charges
What though?
because there are marks on people and it's domestic violence. The state of Louisiana.
There's cameras up there.
So by law, as law enforcement officers, when domestic violence and domestic battery happens, we are obligated, and listen to me, we are obligated to make an arrest in order to protect everybody on the scene. As of right now, we have 2 victims with marks on their bodies, and you have admitted to harming one of them in this incident.
I get tired of the frustration. He disabled my truck so many times the other day. It's not funny. I parked it in front of the courthouse and he moved it on me.
So look, right now,
I was just trying to get away.
do you have anything in your pockets?
No.
No, I'm just letting you know when you get to the jail, they do strip searches
That's
or
fine.
any contraband that you do.
I don't have nothing on me.
Okay, and if they find it, it's a
How do I
felony.
get a restraining order on him? This is pathetic.
This isn't like admittance of guilt or anything like that. It's strictly so that we can notify you when she gets out of jail.
It's for your protection.
You guys are free to go. If anything else comes up, just give us a holler and we'll get out. All right?
No, that's aside. They're threatening me, but I guess I got cameras. I see.
Who threatened you?
The boy, he called me. I can show you my phone. The
Who
dude,
called you?
the dude saw us. The dude selling all the drinks, giving her the drinks. She could had her over there cleaning them hikes. He called me up and said fair game now. And he, when I told you, I went to the casino to confirm. I asked him to stop yesterday and stop giving her drinks. He pulled out a gun on me.
Gotcha.
I mean, that's a whole other deal, but I'll just call y'all if he comes around there.
Okay.
I mean, if he shoots my house up, y'all know now who it is.
Okay.
If something happens.
All right. You guys need anything else? Just give us a holler, all right?
You know, legally, I can't have a gun federally, but state I can, but.
I know what you're saying. All right. If y'all need anything else, give us a holler. Y'all have a safe night.
The woman was charged with 2 counts of domestic battery with child endangerment.